let me introduce you to the BUYDEEM multifunctioning steaming cooker. I've deconstructed it for you, and I'm gonna build it back and show you exactly how it works. This is a pretty sweet system. This is a BPA-free lid that goes on there. I've already put a little bit of water, and I'm gonna add a little bit of more water as I go along. This removes as well. The steam's gonna push up through there. You can cook all kinds of different fun stuff on this. You can cook eggs, you can cook vegetables, you can cook fish, you can cook dumplings. Anything that you're gonna steam, you can put on here. Now I can cook the items I want directly on there, or I can put this sweet plate, comes with it. It's one of my favorite little parts. And then this goes right on top there. You're gonna see that steam removes through these holes right here. It does get hot, but this is a nice tempered glass. You can look right through it, see what's being cooked. A couple different buttons down here that you'll see. I can either preset it if I know kind of exactly what I'm cooking. I can go that route. You can keep it warm, or you can run through the menu, add the different time. I can slow cook, or I can steam. I'm gonna steam this right now. I'm gonna go ahead and start it. As I do that, you're gonna see the steam start to build over there. As we allow that to happen, I'm gonna grab a cup out of my cupboard, and I'm gonna add a little bit of water to this side part right here. Kind of show you how while you're cooking something, you don't have to take all of it apart because it does get a little bit hot. If I need to add more water as I go through, I'm just gonna open that lid up, and I'm just gonna pour it right down, and it dumps right into my reservoir. So pretty awesome. This thing is sweet, and we use it for all kinds of different stuff. And what my wife loves most about it is it's really a pretty machine. Can't remember what the name of, what the kind of the color of it is, but something like cozy green, and it definitely is very welcoming and warming. You can see it's starting to heat up here. The other thing we can look at is the water levels. You can actually see the minimum, maximum water levels right there. And then if you need a cheat code, here's your cheat code. Again, shrimp, weaver fish, pork rib, Chinese leaf, corn, steamed buns, and then the slow cooking time. So pretty awesome. Love it. And I think you guys will too. That's a review.